Okie dokie, so we're in the home stretch, or at least we should be. So let's see what we've got left here. We've got all these actions. We've seen edit, copying. Copying is really important. I mean, not only to make new assignments, but also, again, if a student has attempted an assignment at all, if they've ever looked at the assignment, then you're frozen out of the edit option. So you have to go to copy. Settings for the class, we've seen that a million times. What about settings per student? Let me click on that one. Click go. This is one away. Oh, except I don't have any students in here. I don't own any students in this course, so I have myself. So let me add myself. I'll add myself. I'll say OK. And then it's going to say, what do you want to allow this student to do? Do you want this to be assigned for the student? Do you want to give them their own special due date, right? See? So I can add assignments or information for this one student. I can allow this one student to work after the due date with a personal password. Do require final submission, deduct late submission penalties, right? Limit the number of times the students can work on this, blah, blah, blah. So I can make it special for one particular student. This is often the way I'll go in and change the due date for a single student. That way the rest of the students don't get bothered with it, that kind of thing. Okay, so if I want this student to have a due date of 12/15/2010, for example, I say update. It says it saved it. Beautiful. And I can say done. Cool. And now if you want to remove that, oh, I'd have to remember what assignment I just went to, which I honestly don't. Let me go back because I don't remember which one it was. But whichever one it was. Oh, 4-3 homework. Okay. Suppose you go, oh, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. She doesn't deserve special privileges. This Alana Tucky check. So let me click on her and I'll remove and say OK. And then any settings I made for her will also get removed. See? There you go. So I can see the due date, etc. Let me go back to the homework task manager. There we are. Okay, so a couple more things. Preview. Preview, if you click on that, click go, allows you to see the homework pretty much as a student would see it. Okay, so you can see, oh, this particular assignment, oh, this is a really boring assignment. It only has one question because of the particular topic I'm covering there. That's boring. Okay. Let's see, let me pick another one. Preview. There it is. And I can see, I can do these problems even, right? I could do them as a student would do them just to see how they would go, right? So I can play around with, you know, which one this is and so on. This one's convenience. Nope, didn't do that right. Let's see, using the customer to ask them about their level of satisfaction, right? Oh, that's simple random. Sorry, I wasn't reading that. Yay, I did it right. Save it. Yep. See, and that button has no effect during preview mode because, of course, I'm not doing this as a homework assignment. I'm an instructor, that kind of thing. And I can see the helps available. All right, that's that. Yep, I don't care. Close. Then I could list the questions. Let me click on that. So if you don't want to go to the edit page to do this, sometimes you just want to know, hey, what questions from the book were assigned? And I can see, oh, the book problem 1-4, number 25. So if I look at that problem in the book, it'll be similar to this problem in the homework, that kind of thing. So I can see what questions were assigned, and I can also, see what points everything was worth. Go back. There you are. Everything was worth 1 point. Tries within each question, that kind of thing. Do I allow a certain number of tolerance? Good stuff. Okay. And then last but not least, do I want to print? Go. And it'll allow you to print the assignment. You can print your answers on a separate sheet at the end of the assignment, or you can print them after each one. Do you want to include the question ID so you can tell what question it was from the textbook? That kind of thing. And you can click print. Well, I'm going to pause. I'll be right back. And allow you to print to a printer or maybe to an Adobe file, that kind of thing. Nice, huh? So you can make an Adobe image of quizzes or tests or homework, that kind of thing. I canceled. All right, that's everything. That's all of it. We've seen everything in MyMathLab. See you here next time for the study